Hello guys, now I'm going to say a small story. Long time ago, exactly 2 years from now, I have successfully completed my plus 2 with good percentage. I was sitting in the balcony and thinking what to do next. The only thing in my head is engineering. And my father, who knows about me and the society, has advised me to take any course except engineering. Now, I became a freedom fighter and fought with my father. And after doing a lot of puja and showing unconventional love and affection, I managed them that I take engineering. Now, it was the time for me to choose a suitable branch. I was little familiar with maths and physics, but the chemistry is totally out of my mind. And I was interested in automobiles, so even though I don't know how to drive, then I thought of choosing my favorite mechanical engineering. But after searching and researching, a lot of things came into my mind. Thinking about the increase in technology in one hand and considering about the future on the other hand, I decided to choose computer science engineering. Then I joined the college. Everything went so fast. I was the boy with zero computer background and don't even know how to handle it. Yeah, in my schooling there are computers, so I know few things like MS Office. I remembered the first day of my college. Everyone was talking about languages. Just I came there and sat with them. I was just listening to them. It was like I was watching a Malayalam movie without subtitles. Now our faculty came and she was asking, who knows C, C++ and other programming languages? And in my class, 95% of students raised their hand like giraffe. And I was in that 5% student who don't even know what is going on. I would never forget the awkward incident when I said, why you guys are discussing about a snake? Actually, they were discussing about the Python language. A semester went away. Now my score is going down and down. Then, on fine day, I decided to concentrate on one programming language. Then, I started my Python. Now, I am working on the Python language for last 8 months. I have learned lot of things. And now, I love doing that programming. Hello guys, hope you have enjoyed my non-inspirational video of myself. Let's get into our main topic, how I am doing my programming and how I am developing my programming skills. Basically, I have divided the student resources into 3 types. One who prefer the websites and books and the videos. In the book category, I don't know much more about the book category because everything is available for free in internet. So when I come to websites, you can choose W3 Schools, V for Geeks and Tutorial Point. And for videos, it is free. You can go into the YouTube. There are so many tutorials available in different languages. So I don't recommend you to pay any single penny. That's it. If you want much more information, you can check out my previous video that I give link in the description, also in the I button. Students like me do not understand in websites, books and videos too. Then we need a special teacher to take care of us. So there is one which is the Python tutor. It is available in the web. You can go into the Python tutor and you can get a step by step. Yes, you will get a step by step process. Whenever you step on this, you can check out this Python tutor and copy your code over there and you will get a step by step process and you can get your error as well as you can get the code too. So it is not only available for Python, you can also see C, C++ and Java. So there is no any cost. So it is the best. Let me show how it works. You have to go into the
Google Chrome. In the Chrome you have to type Python tutor. When I click on this, you will get pythontutor.com. click on that. Here you can see it is not only related to Python, you can do a Java project or C++, any program, so it will work for everyone. Here you can see how it exactly looks like. You can see it's a step-by-step process. Here they give an sample code. So let us first visualize this and write our code. Here I am clicking on the Python tutor. Here for example I am taking a code. Let's say I have imported a random, and here I will write a loop for I in range. Let it print from 0, let's say 0 to some 5. Now in this one I will take an x as a variable and random dot and int from 1 to 100, any number. So let's say I will print x. When I run this, see here visualization execution, click on this. You can see over here you have to simply type next and next. You see first it is importing the module. Here you can see global frame random module is instance. Then the next step, for loop I equal to 0. The next x value is 50, it is, and the next the print statement. So 50 is printed. Again the for loop I equal to 1. Again it will take an x value, then 98, so on. Then x equal to 54. It will run for 5 times. That's it. After 5th time it will close. This is most better and the best thing for Python tutorial. You can click copy any code and you can run over here. You can easily get your mistake, and it is also very helpful. That's it guys.
Peace.